train arms every week. You do curls. You feel the pump, but your arms still look small. Stop scrolling. This is why your arms aren't growing. You put on a t-shirt, and the sleeves don't move. You flex in the mirror, and nothing has changed. So you start thinking, maybe my arms just can't grow. That's a lie. Your arms aren't growing, because you're training them wrong. More sets doesn't mean more muscle. A crazy pump does not equal growth. You're chasing burn, not results. Arms are small muscles. They grow from heavy tension, not endless representatives. If your curls look the same every single week, your arms have no reason to grow. Muscle needs progression. Mistake number 1. You lift too light. If you can curl the same weight, 420 representatives, it's not building muscle. If the weight doesn't increase, your arms won't either. Mistake number 2. You ignore triceps. Your arms are mostly triceps. No heavy dips, no close grip bench, no skull crushers, no growth. Mistake number 3. You train arms too much. Every workout, every pump session. No rest, no recovery, and no muscle. Here's how to fix your arms fast. Train arms 2 times a week. Start with heavy compounds, chin-ups, dips, close grip bench. Then add curls and extensions, 8 to 12 representatives. Add weight, or add representatives, every single week. And listen carefully. If you're not eating enough, your arms will not grow. No calories, no muscle. Your genetics aren't bad. Your training is. Fix the basics. Stay consistent, and your arms will grow. Like this video. Follow for real fitness. Now go train smart and earn those sleeves.